Hi, my name is Dave. I live here in Simi. I just had Eric from 101 Lint Busters do both my dryers, and thank God for that because they were really, really bad. Saw his videos on Facebook, reminding me because back when I was volunteering for the Red Cross, I responded more than once to houses that had burned or caught fire due to dryer fires. And I had a very good close friend several years ago lose her whole entire house due to a dryer fire. So I suggest you get in contact with them. If I didn't think ours were that bad, it did to my wife, but it was really bad and we could have been in danger. Thank God Eric came and saved the day.